Hi, today we're going to be learning about deterrence theories and rehabilitation theories. So, first, about deterrence theories, what they are is really just punishments justified to the degree to which they reduce crimes by preventing people from doing or committing crimes. That just means that if a thief's punishment is to give the items back, the consequence is light rather than if the punishment is jail time. So, for deterrence theories, what we're really looking at is what is the best way to show this criminal that they shouldn't do it again while the punishment is just, right? So if somebody steals a candy bar, right, I'm not going to kill them as punishment because it's only a candy bar. That makes sense. Now, if they steal a candy bar and I really wanted that candy bar, what I could say is I discipline them by telling them why they should have not eaten the candy bar and maybe just tell them not to do it again. That's fair enough punishment. I wouldn't put somebody in jail or even go to the extent of death over a candy bar. That being said, if a murderer murders somebody, we're not just going to tell them don't do it again and let them go back into the streets, right? Because they're a threat to society. They murdered somebody. Now, am I going to say killing them is right? Well, not necessarily, but jail time is definitely a fair punishment. Now, for rehabilitation theories, that's basically just changing criminals. So, an example would be if a thief steals for no reason and another thief steals because he needs to, the first thief needs character work and then the other thief needs job training, right? So, if I'm stealing out of necessity, I obviously don't have what it takes to get whatever I just stole, right? I'm doing it to survive rather than I just want to, right? So I may not necessarily get the same punishment as somebody who's just doing it to do it because I had intent, but at the same time, I still did the crime, so I must do the time. Now, if I just steal because I want to steal, then whatever punishment I get, probably being jail time or depending on what the item is, right? But if I'm just stealing to steal, I need to work on myself because I'm just stealing because I want to, not because it's a necessity for me to steal to survive. I just want to steal. And that's the difference between deterrence theories and rehabilitation theories. They're not necessarily a difference, but rather just what they both are and that they are theories. And I hope you learn more about these two.